So what does the future hold for AI in the automobile industry? The road ahead is filled with exciting possibilities and critical challenges. In the long run, AI is set to revolutionize the way we travel. It promises improved safety, with advanced driver assistance systems and autonomous vehicles reducing accidents caused by human error. Imagine a world with less traffic congestion, where AI optimizes traffic flow and reduces commute times. And then there's the potential for new business models. The rise of ride-sharing platforms is just the beginning. We might even see a shift from car ownership to car usage, with autonomous vehicle fleets on demand. But it's not all smooth sailing. The integration of AI in automobiles also brings ethical considerations. Who is responsible if an autonomous car causes an accident? How do we ensure the privacy and security of data gathered by these smart vehicles? The future of AI in automobiles promises a world of possibilities, but it also presents a host of challenges that we must address. Just imagine a world where your car not only drives you but also makes decisions to keep you safe. We've journeyed from the dawn of AI in automobiles, a time when the concept of a self-driving car was nothing more than a far-fetched idea. We've seen it evolve, growing from rudimentary automation to sophisticated systems capable of learning and adapting. Today, AI in automobiles is no longer a distant dream, but a reality manifesting in our everyday commutes. Yet the voyage doesn't stop here. The future holds even more promise. We envision a time when AI will not only drive our cars but also make critical safety decisions, manage traffic flow, and significantly reduce carbon emissions. With each passing day, the fusion of AI and automobiles is edging closer to this vision, transforming our roads, our journeys, and our lives. The road ahead for AI and automobiles is exciting and full of potential. It's a journey that we all are a part of, and it's only going to get more thrilling.